Hi folks, this is Shaggy's Auto Repair. Just a little tip on a 2013 Dodge 1500. If you can get an extension, I got me about, I think, maybe a 10-inch extension, maybe 8, I don't know. So there's a little piece back here, looks like this right here, okay? And it's on this side, right? So you want to put that in here on this water pump pulley and push up, okay? Hold it up, okay? Don't hold it up too tightly, but you want to hold it up. And then you're gonna crank this way, okay? And you just hold both of them at the same time, you know? Hold both of them at the same time and it will break free. Just have some faith. Or use some penetrating oil if you're really stubborn. All right.